So you can use the taskbar on your Galaxy Z Fold 7 by simply adding and removing items from the dock. And when you have an app open, you can access the taskbar by simply just swiping up a bit, and then that will bring up the taskbar, which shows the items in your dock and also your 4 or 3 most recently opened applications, depending on what you've set it up to do. Now, the taskbar settings are going to be in the settings page, display, and then under display, go to taskbar. This is where you can disable the taskbar if you want to, or enable, and then you can choose the taskbar style, auto hide when apps are open, or stay on screen, depending on what you want. Okay, so then here you can choose to show recently opened apps and how many of them you want shown. So for instance, if you want 3, just select 3, or you can disable so that your taskbar never shows your recently opened applications. So that is basically pretty much how to use the taskbar on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Sorry, Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching. Good luck.